Hi dear crocheters, in this video I want to show you my new toy. But before that, I want to ask you to like this video, leave a nice comment and watch the entire video. It really helps with promotion. Thank you so much. The toy is 10 inches tall and 12 inches tall, including the horns. I crocheted this toy using plush yarn and a 4mm hook. You can use other types of yarn and hook, but the dimensions will vary. For example, Carol recently sent me a photo of her finished pairs. They are both crocheted using the same pattern but different types of yarn. You can see that the dimensions of the toy are twice as different. The pattern and tutorial for this toy are currently available on Etsy. You'll find the link in the description below the video. I'll add a video tutorial to YouTube if this video gets 200 likes. I look forward to your feedback. What do you think about my call? Will you crochet this wonder with me? Thank you for crocheting with me. I wish you all the best and see you soon.